Hello. So, here's the thing. This week I was working on Power BI report and it was getting its data from a CSV file. And I knew that there had been a new column added to the underlying data in the CSV file, but yet when I refreshed the data in Power Query, there was no sign of this new column turning up. So I then realised why. I've since then thought it's probably not a bad idea to do a quick video on it because it might help somebody else. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, number one, and what the solution is should you come across it. So here we go, we're in Power BI. I'm just going to go into Power Query. And here we are in Power Query. And what we have is, for the purposes of this, we've just got a really simple report where we've got 5 columns: branch, sales ID, product, quantity and cost. And here is the actual data itself, just in Notepad. And you'll see that what we have is we've got those first 5, but we've also got a new column called tax. And it's not coming in. So let me just close that. And I'll show you what I mean. When I hit refresh, which is complete, it's just a simple one, there's no sign of the actual new data. So the solution itself is really simple, as often is the case. If I go to the source, and if we look at just what's going on, what we find is we've got this thing here where when you're first importing it, a CSV file, Power BI kind of locks in how many columns it finds. And in this instance, at the first time of it coming in, there were 5 columns. So it's basically saying, look, just you're only interested in the first 5 columns. And that's not always true. So as a matter of course, I would usually get rid of that statement from the query itself, just remove it. And now it just turns up. You know, there's no worries at all. There's column 6, tax column is just turned up. So as I say, as a matter of course, I would normally do that, but on this particular occasion I hadn't, so that confused me to begin with. So anyway, hence why the video exists. So hopefully you find it useful. Okie dokie, cheers.